Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Friends, we are today dealing with the humanism in Tagore's Gitanjali. Tagore is the most outstanding name in Bengali literature as well as in English literature, Indian English literature, who first gained Nobel Prize in 1930. The award of the Nobel Prize to him, which is a very prestigious for Indians as well as to the English literature. Tagore is a poet who deals with the natural elements as well as the universal brotherhood, and he deals not only with the universal brotherhood but the affection and love for the human beings. His poem in this selection has been taken from his English Gitanjali. Tagore had a very deep religious cast of mind and profound humanism. He was both a patriot and internationalist. In the poem, where the mind is without fear, Tagore sketches a moving picture of the nation he would like to be about India. Brotherhood is to be one of the string of which he has to be dealt in his tension of a fear, operation of a force, compulsion, where the knowledge is not restricted by the narrow ideas and loyalties. The British rule has robbed India of its pride and dignity to be a subject. His poem in the post-Gitanjali period show that he had realized the importance of international humanism. His poem, The Awakening of a Waterfall, proclaimed the message of love and friendship, as well as he heard the song of the bird carrying the message of outside world. Tagore wrote his poem with the spirit of internationalism. He preached for the unity of mankind. He had a good hopes in the glorious future of a humanity. He gave good instances of universal brotherhood. He announces the birth of a new humanity. The humanism he represents the joy as well as the sorrow of a common people and common beings. Tagore believed in the inner transformation of a man to solve problems of the modern world. Tagore says in the modern civilization, for which an amusement of iron, men under the material, man is the imperfect revelation of a universe, as well as Edward Thompson says, the stream of fitted to be called the great poem in the book maintain of ideal peace and human brotherhood in his poetry. He believed that the beginning of a new social order in Gitanjali, to seek God in a secluded form, it is necessary to worship God through the service of man and humanity. In the poet Gitanjali period, Tagore became fully conscious of human interest. He not only emphasized the love, but he gave stress upon the human dignity. He stood for a bold acceptance of a life as a reality, and the other modern poets songs of humanity. Many factors had contributed to form the psychological background of his last poetry. He has greed of a powerful nation and intelligent power in the universal strength. The India of Tagore's dream is a country where here people hold their heads with their pride in knowledge and strength born of the knowledge, where all countrymen must come out of the age world of people who have lost their vision of one humanity by caste, creed and religion, prejudice and superstitions, which narrow the mind and divide people, would be a thing of the past, where the words of a truth come out of from the depths of a heart and spoken out courageously in the open for the world to hear. People would work for the perfections in the clear light of reason, leaving aside all superstitious rituals. Thank you.
Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.